Most intelligent people on Earth. 1. Isaac Newton. He is an extraordinary genius physicist, mathematician, astronomer and alchemist. He is considered as the most influential and greatest scientist ever lived. His scientific work not only contributed to the 17th century scientific revolution but also gave birth to modern technologies. His works, concept of universal gravitation and laws of motion, developed the theory of color which is visible in the spectrum and rainbow. First person to tell that color is an intrinsic property of light and explained the phenomena that when white light is scattered, reflected or transmitted it breaks into 7 colors. Built first practical telescope. Contributed to the study of power series, generalized the binomial theorem to non-integer components, and developed the method for approximating the roots of a function. His book, Philosophy Naturals, Principia Mathematica, popularly known as Principia, deals with the principles of modern physics. 2. Aryabhatta. He was an acclaimed mathematician and astronomer. His contribution to science, maths, and astronomy is tremendous. His work introduced concept of zero and how to use large numbers up to 1018. First time he had calculated the value of pi accurately to the 4th decimal point. Devised the formula for calculating areas of triangles and circles. Calculated the circumference of the Earth as 62,832 miles, and also suggested about the axial rotation of the Earth and its axis. First astronomer to devise a continuous counting of solar days. Also, told that eclipses occur due to the shadows of Moon and Earth. He also told that planets shine due to the reflection of sunlight. Flat Earth concept was introduced by him and laid the foundation that Earth and other planets orbit the Sun. Amazing. Do you know that at the age of 24 he wrote Aryabhatta? 3. Galileo Galilei. He was an illustrious mathematician, astronomer, and physicist. Also known as the father of modern astronomy. His works played a key role in establishing scientific revolution. Contribution in astronomical observatory and invented telescope. In astronomical discovery he confirmed the phases of Venus, discovered 4 largest satellites of Jupiter, and observation and analysis of sunspots. He invented military compass. 4. Thomas Alva Edison. He was a prolific inventor and a leading businessman. In building America's economy he was the mastermind behind discoveries and innovations. And frontrunner of America's first technological revolution. His works. First inventor to have an invention laboratory. He invented the first electric bulb. The first one lasted 40 hours. And second one lasted 225 hours. Do you know that he had invented movie camera? Invented fluoroscope. Invented rechargeable battery. 5. Leonardo da Vinci. He was an architect, mathematician, musician, polymath, sculptor, engineer, inventor, anatomist and writer. His works. First person to dissect human body. He helped us to invent things like tank, parachute, helicopter etc. Famous artist, painter and musician. His one of the known paintings is of Mona Lisa and many are displayed in museums, art galleries etc. He was interested in geology and draws maps of various places. He can also write backward. He was a spirit of Renaissance. And also known for imaginations, inventions and utmost curiosity. 6. Stephen Hawking. He is at present 74, a cosmologist, author, theoretical physicist, and director of Research Center for Theoretical Cosmology. His works. He predicted that black holes emit radiation called Hawking radiation. He is the first to make theory on cosmology and supported quantum mechanics. He is recipient of Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian award in the US. His book, A Brief History of Time, in which he has discussed about his own theories and cosmology in general. Various other books are The Universe in a Nutshell, The Large-Scale Structure of Space-Time, The Grand Design etc. At the age of 65, he went to space, and at Kennedy Space Center in Florida he had experienced the environment without gravity. And proved that if a person wants to achieve something in his life, nothing can stop him or her. Being paralyzed, he had achieved and proved this.